Hello, my champs. Welcome in your period of general knowledge. Yes, class, we are doing our Unit 4 Art and Culture, and today is the turn of chapter Bonding with God. It is given at page number 47. Again, very interesting chapter to do. In this chapter, we are having names of various countries and we have to find out the religion that is very much famous in that country or that is practiced by a large number of people. So here we are with the first religion, that is Hinduism. First country is given here, Mauritius, and after Mauritius, Hinduism is very much spread in Fiji. The name of the country is Fiji. After that, which country will come? We can see Nepal. In Nepal, Hinduism is very much spread and famous. And after Nepal, the name of the country comes Indonesia. And of course our own country, India. All these countries are Hindu countries: Fiji, Nepal, Indonesia and India. Now we are having the religion Buddhism. Buddhism is spread in Taiwan and the other countries which are very much famous for their religion Buddhism, they are Japan. We will select the name of the countries: Japan, Sri Lanka. Yes, students, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka Buddhism is very famous in Sri Lanka. Next is Thailand. Thailand also follows Buddhism. And next is Myanmar. Myanmar. Before, the name of this country was Burma. Myanmar. Very famous for their following of Buddhism. Next is Islam. Yes, Islam is very famous in Jordan. Majority of people follows Islam. And after Jordan, here comes Iran. Afghanistan. Afghanistan. Next is Kuwait and Iraq. And number 4, we are having the religion Christianity. It is very much famous in Australia. The next country is Italy. After that, it is famous in USA. Next is New Zealand. And next is France. Last country is, from the given countries we have to choose France. Yes, students, we see that there are many countries that follow different religion. There are so many people that practiced various religion, but most famous religion are these. Go through the chapter once again and keep on practicing, keep on watching and keep on learning. Thank you, students. Good.